Hey everybody, here's another one we got out for the trash with a bunch of other stuff. This is a Craftsman 675 series Briggs & Stratton 21-inch cut with a bagger, and I have no idea what that is.
Blower tube or something.
It's some type of blower tube or something, or that's how, oh, that's what it is. When you take the bagger off, this closes the hole, so it turns into a kind of a recycler mower. We know nothing about this mower. It was out for the trash, so let's take a peek at the oil. It does have oil in it. Looks okay. Let's check the gas. And it is completely dry. It has no odor at all on the cap. We haven't even tried to pull this one over, so go ahead, G Junior. Let's see, will it pull over or not?
Nope.
Oh, there's some, okay, hold on, don't break anything. So this is the
brake cable.
The brake cable for the engine, and you can see it's pulling up on this. So this is not moving properly, the lock cable. Let's get a pair of needle nose. Let's get a pair of needle nose. This mechanism here locks the flywheel as a safety device, like on this other lawnmower over here that we just filmed. Let me show you on this one how it's supposed to work. This is a different Briggs & Stratton, but when you pull the bar back, it moves this piece of linkage that unlocks the flywheel to make the flywheel spin. So that one's kind of jammed up, so we're going to get a pair of needle nose and see if we can get this moving again. All right, needle nose, let's see. All right, you want to pull on it now? Pull on it. You got it?
No, still keeps popping out.
Still popping out? Okay, well the cable's bad. The cable's probably rusted. So here, let me do this. I'm gonna go ahead and pull forward on this. See, the motor will turn over now. Ooh, that. Okay, hold on. That does not sound good. Let's go ahead and flip it up on its side. Let's take a peek underneath. Well, underneath it has a blade. It's still there. Making a lot of noise. I don't know what's going on with this one. It looks complete. It looks like it's been sitting out in the weather. Yeah, bring it on back. Let's get some starting fluid that we used on the other mower. Let's just see if this thing will fire up. I'll have to hold the flywheel brake while G Junior takes and pulls it over. Okay, hold on, let me get in position. All right, go ahead and try it. It sounded like it kicked over there. All right, hold on. That's probably all the starting fluid is going to do. This mower has a bunch of problems. The brake cable is seized, and as you can see right here, it keeps pulling out of its mount over here. So when you pull back on this, it pulls out. So this cable's bad. We're going to get some WD-40 and try to spray in the cable. This mower might be destined for the recycling bin.
It doesn't feel good. It almost feels like it's seized.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it pulls ever real well. Do you want to put a little bit of gas in it or not?
I mean, you can.
Hey, I know an idea. We're going to take and get a wire tie and tie that off, and we'll get some, and I'll keep spraying it while he tries to start. So let me get a wire tie, and we'll wire tie that so it will stay on. So the mower will be on, so it will run. So let me do that. We'll be right back. All right, instead of using a wire tie, I got a piece of copper wire and move this back so we can easily cut it off in case there's something wrong. We put a little bit of gas in it, so we're going to go ahead and hit it with starting fluid and see if this thing starts up at all. All right, go. All right. Up again. Again. See if the transmission works. Well, did it seem like the transmission was working or not?
Barely.
Barely. Well, obviously the carburetor's all clogged up in this one because a little bit of gas is not getting through the carburetor. I don't know. I think this one here might just be going to the trash. I think it needs too much work. It needs that cable. The whole mower looks like crap. I've never even seen a mower like this before. Here, lift up on the bag. Let's see what... Go ahead and pull the bag off. I think it just lifts up.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, see now this closes and that's what closes. And then down here it's not even in the thing properly. Did you ever look up and see what year this one is?
This is from 2000.
G Junior is going to try to figure out what year it is.
This is from 2006.
It's a 2006 mower. I don't know. We are going to have to put our thinking caps on to think if this one's even worth fixing. What do you think? Yes, no? Does it give it a thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs in the middle.
So we don't know what we're going to do. All right, everybody. We have no idea. We're going to have to plan what we're going to do with this one. It's like 35 degrees out here and it's pretty cold. So winter has struck, as you see. G Junior's got gloves on and I've got my winter jacket on. So we don't know what we're going to do with this one. So for right now, we're going to put this one away and maybe re-look at it this spring. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Please like and share.